Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market and we'll discuss the Nifty bank chart today and we'll find out important levels for the next week. But along with that, I'm going to discuss important banking stock which has posted the Q4 results today only. I'll discuss its fundamental also. I'll discuss important levels also. So to know the Nifty bank levels and that stocks name and its levels and Q4 results all, stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for stock market updates. So first we will discuss the important bank stock, its analysis, and then we'll go for the Nifty bank chart quickly. So let me discuss the name. That name of the stock is SBI. SBI has posted its result Q4 results on Friday, and the result was okay, but not that good also. It has not beaten up the estimates. So SBI even fallen more than around 7% on Friday because of it could not meet the estimates. And I will discuss the Q4 result first of all, then we'll go for the fundamental and important technical levels also for the SBI if you are interested to buy this stock. So SBI has posted its Q4 result and you can see on your screen that the profit grows by around 6%. I can say 5.6%. The profit was in 25 Q4 25, it was 18,600 around, and now it has become the 19,600 around, means we can say 5.6% up y on y. And NI, the net interest income, is also grown. It has also become the 44,380 around from the 42,600. तो 42,600 से बढ़कर 44,380 हो गया, which is good, 4% up. Not very good, but yes, I cannot say it's negative. So flat, I can say it's flat. Operating profit is down, and that is only the reason, actually that is only the reason for SBI fall, 7% fall on Friday, because the operating profit has come down. It has become 27,700 from the 31,000 last year. Y on Y it was in Q4 25, तो 31,286 से लेके 27,000 तक का इसका ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट हैज fallen. It is fallen around 11%, which is not less, and that's why, and could not beat the estimate. So that's why the SBI has fallen. So is it good opportunity for SBI to buy it? But if you see, this is the top 5 कंपनी ऑफ इंडिया, इंडिया के टॉप 5 कंपनी में SBI आती है. इट इज अराउंड फिफ्थ नंबर, आई गेस, ऑन द फिफ्थ place. 9,41,000 crore around its market cap. Current price, you can see it's trading around 1,000. And इसका जो हाई था 1200 के अराउंड ये हाई गया था, फिर वहां से इट स्टार्टेड टू फॉल डाउन. लो 52 वीक लो इसका 7,750 पे गया था when the market was down. P is 11.6%, and I can see it is not very overvalued also. I can say it's reasonable valued also. थोड़ा बहुत ओवर वैल्यू है जो कि इस फॉल में हो चुका है डाउन. ROC is 6%, ROE is 15%, which is good. Dividend इसका already अच्छा है, more than 1%, and here you can see 1.56%. So overall, I can see, and when price to book value is also 1.5, which is not also overvalued. So reasonably, I can say reasonably valued. The SBI bank, the bank is itself a very very strong bank. It is a government bank, PSU bank, and yes, there is no डाउट ऑन दिस बैंक. तो एक एक दो क्वार्टर से कोई भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता. लेवल गुड लेवल. आई हैव जस्ट डिस्कस एज इट हैज फॉलन टुडे ओनली 7%, और ऑलरेडी ये 1200 से काफ़ी नीचे चल रहा है, जो कि इसका ऑल टाइम हाई है 1235. सो इट इज़ ऑलरेडी ट्रेडिंग अराउंड 1000 अराउंड आफ्टर फॉलिंग. yes, I will definitely tell the important support where you can, if you want, there will be a very good accumulation place, means accumulative level, where that is the 950, 950 अराउंड 950 से 975 के बीच में इसका बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट सपोर्ट है. एंड यू हैव टू वेट एंड वॉच फॉर दैट सपोर्ट. इफ इट्स नॉट ब्रेकिंग दिस 950, then okay, it will take reversal from there, and then again will come to the level, will start to coming or to follow this level of all time high of 1200. If 950 broken, then of course SBI will fall more, it will go down. But yes, 950 का support अगर SBI ले लेता है, तो definitely it will take reversal from, if it's taking reversal from there, definitely it will again go back to the level of 1000 plus, even 1200 also. So important support is definitely 950 to 975, or important target can be the 1235. I have discussed everything about SBI, the result also, the fundamental also, even the good buying opportunity emerging from here, I can see. Now I will go to the bank nifty chart quickly, and we'll see what is happening here, and the important fall which has happened on Friday in Nifty Bank. The important reason, yeah, main jo reason behind it was the SBI only, which I just discussed. क्योंकि एसबीआई इतना गिरा तो ये भी गिरा. एंड यू कैन सी इन निफ्टी बैंक चार्ट व्हाट ऑल हैपनिंग दिस, ये रिवर्स्ड बी शेप इसने बनाया. इट हैज मेड द रिवर्स फॉर्म द reverse B shape, and from there it has taken support and started going back to the level of 200 EMA, but could not touch it. And यहीं से ही ये again started falling back toward the 20 EMA, broken the 20 EMA today on Friday only. It has broken, even it has closed below the 20 EMA, which is not a good positive sign, because the blue line you can see, you can zoom it out and you can see this 20 EMA already broken, even close below that. And the low was, I can see 50,000, 55,000 around. So already this support I have drawn here, this line you can see, and this support is very important, which is 54,350. I given last previous video also the same support was there, and it has even not touched till now here. So important support 54,350 से 54,000, I can say 200 के around हो सकता है. But this 54,200 to 350 can be a very very important support. If it's coming here, okay, wait for the uh, reversal. If it's taking reversal from here, again it will go back to the level of 200 EMA, which is this support, and this resistance, sorry. So this 200 EMA will be a important resistance, will give a strong resistance here, this 200 EMA. अगर इसको ब्रेक करता है, तो फिर then get ready for the this important resistance of 57,750. But only after breaking 200, and it will take time to break this also, because this is long term moving average. उसके पहले ये एक इम्पॉर्टेंट रेजिस्टेंस ऑलरेडी रहेगा, विच इज़ 55,750. तो 55,700 750 के अराउंड ये वाला रेजिस्टेंस, एंड देन 200 EMA का 56,600 का रेजिस्टेंस, एंड देन 57,750. इफ नेक्स्ट वीक everything is going well, as the war also like looking like it is going to end, bank may go to break this 200 EMA, and then going toward this level of 57,650. So overall you can see, and this gap is already there, और उसके पहले का ये gap you can see here, from 57,750 to 57,000 around, we can say 57,000, yes. तो इस ये गैप भी फिल करने के लिए इधर आएगा ही, डेफिनेटली आएगा. एंड यहाँ तक तो उसने यहाँ पे इट हैज ऑलरेडी टेकन वन रेजिस्टेंस एट 57,400. Nifty Bank last Friday, I am not seeing, it is not looking positive to me, because already broken 20 EMA. So let's see what is going to happen. I'm seeing this support is very important. If it's coming down, we'll take here support. So overall, I have discussed everything about SBI, fundamental, technical levels, and the important Q4 results. And I have discussed the Nifty Bank also. Nifty Bank important levels, important support at 54,350, and important resistance 56,600 after breaking 55,700 only. So like and share this video with your friends and subscribe the channel for these kind of stock market updates and stock and news update. Signing off.